Hello, welcome to Santorini. We just made it to our hotel. We can't check in yet, but we have a tour coming up. So we're gonna figure out how we're gonna get ready for that. But for now, we're just gonna go get some breakfast.
Okay.
Look at this, it's Mamma Mia. It is literally built into a hill. We just swam in volcano water, in sulfur water. It was lukewarm, because the water here, honestly cold. Hello, I am looking great from swimming, but we are now having our sunset dinner. Oh, you can't even see it. Just chilling on the boat. So, I'll show you the dinner. It is delicious. So we have very delicious fish, we have very delicious chicken, some pasta with like marinara sauce pretty much, tzatziki, Greek salad, bread, prawns. I'm sorry if you're a prawn lover. I wanted to like it and then I saw this and I said, no, I'm not gonna do that. I'm so sorry. But that's that. Good morning. If I look like trash, it's because I literally just rolled out of bed. But I just rolled out of bed to a private breakfast on our terrace. So, I don't care what I look like. We obviously finished our sunset cruise yesterday, and today we're thinking we're probably just gonna go into town. I think we're gonna go to Thira, and then we're probably gonna go over to Oia. So, we're gonna have a good day. We're just kind of going with the flow today, which is really exciting. Starting with just a nice peaceful breakfast together. There's a lot going on, so strap in. Oh yeah. He's eating a cinnamon pastry. These are eggs hollandaise with bacon. There's like bread in there and stuff. We've got a butter croissant, crispy bacon, sausage. I probably should have done this before I ate. These are mini little pancakes, but they're so nice and crispy, and they've got like peaches and stuff on them. This is a cappuccino. This is a cold cappuccino. Some Cheerios with almond milk. This was scrambled. This is yogurt and honey and granola. We've got like a fruit juice blend. We've got orange juice. We've got coffee over there. There was something in that. Oh, the sausage and bacon. So we're having a great time. Once upon a time, this was all land right here. There's a volcano there. And 3,000 years ago, it went under the water. And they say it's the lost city of Atlantis. There is a volcano underwater as well, which is pretty dope. And so yesterday when we were swimming, we went into like a sulfur pit almost. It was like, it had a bunch of sulfur to warm it up pretty much. And it was, the water here is honestly kind of cold this time of year, but it's doable. So we jumped in the water every time, but as soon as we were in the sulfur water, nice and lukewarm. And the land that we are staying on now is prehistoric and ancient, and I think that is awesome. Cool history over here. Yamas. Hello, I have not been updating you through the things we've been doing, but we are now in Thira and we're shopping around for the perfect earrings. I found some for here and now I just need to completely change my ears. But we found a lot of cool stuff. James, show your pendant. Thira! Yeah, some good shopping has been done thus far. And we're just gonna continue. All right, we just finished up shopping around Thira. We're about to go over to Oia. And I got some fire earrings. I'm not wearing them now because I'm not about to try to change them out. But when you have so many piercings, it becomes like a whole thing. You gotta buy so many to do a whole set. We also got some boba here from Level Tail. Not the same as American boba at all. So we were like, oh, what do we get? But the guy here is so nice. And he said I remind him of a TikToker.
Hi. I put you too low. Hello. We are currently at dinner and it's incredible. We're watching the view from dinner right now. I'll try to get you a video. This dinner is delicious. So just wanted to say what's up. Taking a time lapse on my phone as well.
It's dark and I know you can't see me, but you can see what's behind me. Hold on, that's nothing. Oh, I wish you could see better. Let me see. Incredible. That's all I gotta say. That's all I came here to show you. But I've teared up twice just by looking at this place.